Namaste, I am Dr. Nikita Reddy Guram, vitreoretinal surgeon working at Center for Sight, Hyderabad. So what is macular degeneration and what is macula? Macula is the center point of your retina which will help recognize people's faces, which will help in driving, which will help in reading or writing. So in age-related macular degeneration, this macular part will be getting affected in the people usually above age group 50. Now we'll be discussing how exactly it affects. So in age-related macular degeneration, there are two types. One is dry form and the other is wet form. In the dry ARMD, usually this macula, which is the center point of your retina, will get thinned out with the age and will lead to the loss of vision. Usually the dry form is very gradual, the vision loss is very gradual and the very common form of the ARMD. The second form is wet ARMD, where we see abnormal blood vessels growing underneath your retina, leading to the hemorrhage underneath the retina. This is not very common, but the vision loss is very sudden and rapid. So whenever we have any form of wet ARMD, usually you can see distorted vision or wavy vision. Whatever you're seeing, everything will be wavy, crisscross or zigzag. So whenever you see such kind of vision, please visit your retina specialist. Now let's discuss the treatment options of ARMD. In the dry form, we usually do not have any treatment options available, but we usually give supplements like antioxidants, which can help or delay the progression of the disease. And we ask patients to avoid or cessation of smoking and to have a healthy, balanced diet. And in the wet form, where there is a bleeding underneath your retina, we need to treat it as soon as possible with again anti-VEGF injections. There are different molecules available in the market. We decide what is best for the patient, and patient has to take some repeated injections until the hemorrhage gets completely resolved. Then patient can have better vision.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.